Hi, I'm Jasmine. I am a crew member with Reynolds Asphalt. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what we do as far as seal coating. The first thing that we do is we go out and we clean our driveway. And what that entails of is that we first weed eat, make sure we get all the grass that is coming through the cracks and the sides. After we weed eat, we then take a wire broom and we clean all the excess dirt and gravel. Once that is completed, we then take our blowers and we blow off all the excess dirt and grass. After that step, we look for any cracks that is 1/4 inch thick. We fill those with a pourable crack fill. Once we have filled our cracks, we also make sure that we have no potholes or holes in the foundation of the driveway. If we come across those, we fill those with a asphalt that we use. Once we have filled our potholes and holes, we then are ready for the sealing process. So to begin the sealing process, we position our trucks so that it is close enough to the back area where we begin at. Once we have positioned our truck and took our hose out to release the sealer, we then put down our seal. Once our seal is out, we have two people that is on the driveway. We have a spreader and then we have our finisher. Our spreader will spread all the excess seal covering the driveway, and our finisher would then finish getting all the footprints and making sure that everything is smooth. We work our way along the driveway till we get to the end. Once we make it to the end and we are finished, we then put up our stakes and sign, letting them know that it was done by Jim Reynolds, and we are finished and complete. If you need any work done, please don't be scared to contact us.